Thinking Byzantine here, and today we're going to talk about Snowflake. Now, for a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, and this is just my own opinion. So this information I gathered was from December 5th or before, and I would like to clarify I'm not going to initiate a position into Snowflake. Now, with that out of the way, let's move in. Now, here are some quick stats and facts. Its current share price is at $387. Its 52-week high is $395.80. Its 52-week low is $208.55. Its market cap is $107 billion. There is no dividend, and there is no PE ratio, as this stock has yet to make a profit. Snowflake was founded in 2012 and then IPO'd September 16th. Snowflake has a lockup period just like Palantir. Its ticker is SNOW. It has 283.1 million Class A and Class B shares, and it IPO'd at around $120. Now, let's see what they do. According to them, thousands of customers around the world now mobilize their data in a way previously unimaginable with Snowflake's Cloud Data Platform, a solution for data warehousing, data lakes, data engineering, data science, data application development, and data exchange. Snowflake provides the near unlimited scale, concurrency, and performance our customers in a variety of industries want, while delivering a single data experience that expands multiple clouds and geographies. Our founder's vision didn't stop there. Our cloud data platform is also the engine that drives the data cloud, the global ecosystem where thousands of organizations have seamlessly and governed access to explore, share, and unlock the potential of data. In summary, Snowflake is a cloud-based data storage and analytics service company that is able to be hosted on multiple different clouds like AWS and Azure. Now, here's a quick recap on the news. So, Salesforce and Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett's company, have invested in this company. Note that their buy-in price was a lot cheaper than what you can get right now. Informatica launched a support for Snowflake Cloud, and Snowflake's launched Snowpark, which is a data environment. And if you want these articles, the links will be in the description. Now here's its most recent earnings numbers summarized. Snowflake had a great year overall, with 119% year-over-year growth, from 73.012 million to 159.6 million for Q3. Net losses per share decreased from $1.92 to $1.01. Most of their losses came from an increase in spending in sales and marketing by over double from Q3 2019, and research and development nearly tripling from Q3 2019. Guidance for Q4 increased to 167 million, and its current ratio is 9.105, up from 157 from January 2020. Here's my overall bull thesis for Snowflake. It has a strong, time-saving, efficient product that creates a moat in the present. It has strong momentum and growth, as you saw from the earnings, and I believe that there's a bit of confidence in this company because Berkshire Hathaway and Salesforce have bought a stake in this company. Now, here's my bear thesis. It's a bit over-reliant on competitors' infrastructure. Its competition are industry giants that can try to undercut Snowflake, and I believe its current valuation is just not supported by its revenue as of now. Also, it's a bit volatile, so for those who want a more steady stock, this is definitely not for you. Now, here's its evaluation based on the numbers. We'll be using price to sales ratio to compare Snowflake with some of its competitors. So, without further ado, let's get into this. So, Amazon Redshift is at 4.62, Google BigQuery 7.85, and then Snowflake is at a whopping 192.62, which means Snowflake is definitely at a huge premium compared to its competitors. Now let's continue with this evaluation. So we look at their projected growth. Amazon's at 34%, Google's at 20%, and Snowflake's projected growth is at 80%. If we did a best case scenario and we did a 4 times multiplier with Google's PES ratio, as we are justifiing that Snow is a premier growth stock that is rapidly growing, and because of its sector, then we can get a fair price at around $63.09, which is way lower than its current evaluation. And just for fun, I did this calculation with 100% projected growth, which is 5 times Google's PS ratio, and I still get around $78.86. So it's IPO price before being raised, basically. Overall, current price is just way above these two numbers. Now here's this chart since IPO. You can say it's getting closer to $400 right here, just $13 off. And overall, it's been trading in the $200 to $300 range for most part, but I think that this stock has plenty of momentum to go even further than this, even though I still think it's a bit overvalued. Now let's just look at an evaluation based on my thesis and based on the numbers. Even in the best case scenario, Snowflake is overvalued. So for those who want to short this stock, volatility makes it difficult to short, as Snowflake could jump $40, maybe forcing you to get margin called, and then it could drop $30 afterwards. Also, it could justify its current price if it keeps showing consistent, strong, fast growth in the long run, but for that to happen, the company's plan must be executed perfectly, and that is my bullish scenario summarized. And my bearish scenario is if competition starts attacking Snowflake's balance sheet, as these giants can definitely start undercutting Snowflake as they have revenue sources to support their efforts. Overall, I am neutral, and for those who want to invest in the stock at its current valuation, you should keep looking at at your own thesis or my thesis and keep tracking what Snowflake and what the other big tech giants are doing and how fast Snowflake is growing. Also, I would just like to say, for maybe the 10th time, that I'm not going to touch this stock, and I am just overall neutral on it. So please like and subscribe for more content, because this type of content takes forever to make.